Kwa sasa ningependa nimesikia watu wakipiga nduru ya gavana. Wapi nduru ya gavana? Bado hajasikia vizuri. Wapi nduru ya gavana wetu? Asante sana. Thank you. Bado hajasikia vizuri. Wapi nduru ya gavana wetu? Asante sana. Thank you.
Here, who is the area member of parliament, our elected members of the county assembly, our Bishop Mairura, Vicar General, and other church leaders, it is now my pleasure, because we do not have time, to ask members of the Committee of Assumption to stand where they are so that the congregation and Wananchi can recognize the hard work you have done in arranging this beautiful ceremony. If you can just stand. Just wave to the crowd. Thank you very much for the beautiful job. At this time, because of time, I would love now to invite the Lady Justice Teresia Mumbua Madeka to proceed from here because of the strict timelines we have. Lady Justice, kindly take charge of this ceremony. Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Akisimama tafadhali mtengeneze njia, sababu sasa governor atapita aende upande ule. Yes. Tutengeneze njia tafadhali. Thank you so much.
Wananchi wapendwa, sherehe ambayo tunaenda sasa ni sherehe ya kikatiba. Na mnaombwa kwa heshima hiyo muweze kuwa watulivu na muangalie yale ambayo yanatendeka. Atatuongoza Lady Justice Teresia Mumbua Madeka, akishirikiana naye Head of Station Madam Honorable Stella Abuya. Pia anaandamana kwa karibu na County Anthony.
Tuwapigie makofi wanapofanya kazi yao. Tuwakere chinko bitobakere chinko biegento kerina kigiatoleta litukulirindero. Very good.
Thank you very much. Wakati judge anaendelea, kuna ceremony ambayo itatendeka. Please give me a moment. Whereby
check.
Yes, thank you. At the right moment, I'll ask the outgoing governor, His Excellency Governor Ngwae, to escort the governor-elect of Kisii to the dais where I will at the right moment.
Maridadi DJ. Asante sana.
Kenya taifa letu tukufu, Kenya tunayoipenda.
Anapochukua kiapo cha ofisi, His Excellency the second governor of Kisii. Silence kindly.
My lady, this is the swearing ceremony of the governor-elect, Kisii County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 98/84, dated 17th August 2022, who was elected into office on 9th August 2022 and was subsequently gazetted by IBC via Gazette Notice number 99/49 of 22nd August 2022, in fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, as read with Section 12 of the Assumption of Office of Governors Act, and pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 34(2) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office to the governor. If it pleases you, my lady, I would like to call upon His Excellency, the Governor-elect Kisii County, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, to take position in front of the podium in readiness for the administration of the oath by the judge. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Yes. So kama mlivyosikia, Mheshimiwa Honorable Paul Simba Arati atakula kiapo cha kuchukua ofisi ya gavana na kukaribisha uchukue Biblia na ushikilie katiba kama vile sheria inavyosema na uweze kusoma kiapo chako.
I, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Shangwe na nderemo, shangwe na nderemo. DJ, thank you.
Okay. Kuna kiapo cha pili chini ya Leadership and Integrity Act kwamba atawafanyia kazi kwa njia ya uadilifu. Governor, karibu.
I, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, holder of national ID 22481719, having been elected as the governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm I have read and understood the specific leadership and integrity code prescribed for the state officer in the county executive of Kisii. And I hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Shangwe na nderemo tena wananchi wapendwa. DJ, gavana wa pili anaenda kutia sahihi certificate kuonyesha rasmi anaanza kazi yake leo tarehe 25. Wapi shangwe na nderemo? Siwasikii wamama Tamuomba naibu wa gavana, deputy governor, tafadhali usonge mbele. Tafadhali kuja hapa mbele. DJ wimbo na uzi. Makofi ya juu. DJ wimbo wa Eric Wainaina, daima mimi Mkenya, mwananchi mzalendo, umwendee gavana wetu wa pili Excellence Paul Simba Arati. DJ
Mong'ina kuanguka wanjeta bageni nendo muango kogenia bageni dada aenaye wala na Simba ile kule yo pale de party de dada kana gerie keki nyasai ayi mukungu nyasao mosongo.
Haya DJ.
The people of Kisii County. The people of Kisii County, I present to you now your governor, Honorable Simba Arati.
Sote tusimame wote. Tusimame wote.
Koterere igoro toko Bwari gani omugaba no muya.
Simba Arati, His Excellency the second governor of Kisii County government. DJ DJ. Tafadhali tuko live kwa NTV. Wewe mpiga picha wa simu tafadhali songa nyuma kidogo gavana anapotuonyesha certificate yake. Wapi nduru? Ningependa kumkaribisha Her Excellency the First Lady, Her Excellency the First Lady, Miss Paul Arati, to come forward.
Wapi makofi ya First Lady?
DJ, kwa heshima maafisa tulio hapa juu, ningekuwaomba kwa heshima yenu tumwache governor anayeondoka, governor anayeingia, the deputy governor na viongozi wa county wengine tushuke chini kidogo. Tafadhali tushuke chini kidogo na waomba tumwache women rep, senator, county secretary wengine tushuke chini kidogo. Let's give humble time the officers of the court. Na waomba tushuke tu chini kidogo, tushuke. Haya, DJ, nitamkaribisha tena Lady Justice Teresia Mumbwa aweze kumchukua kiapo naibu wa gavana Daktari Robert Onsare Monda. Wapi shangwe na nderemo?
My lady, this is the swearing-in ceremony of the Deputy Governor-elect, Kisii County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 9884, dated 17th August 2022, who was elected into office on 9th August 2022 and was subsequently gazetted by IEBC via Gazette Notice number 9949 of 22nd August 2022. In fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, as read with Section 14 of the Assumption of Office of Governors Act 2019, and pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 34(2) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office to the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. If it pleases you, my lady, I would like to call upon His Excellency, the Deputy Governor-elect, Kisii County, Honorable Robert Onsare Monda, to take his position in front of the podium in readiness for administration of oath by the judge. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Okay. Pia kama mlivyosikia, Honorable Robert Onsare Monda ambaye ni Deputy Governor atakula kiapo cha ofisi ya Deputy Governor na pia kiapo cha kusema kwamba atawafanyia kazi kwa njia ya uadilifu. Mheshimiwa, Biblia na Katiba.
I, Honorable Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Check.
I, Honorable Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, ID number 1640646, having been elected as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the specific leadership and the integrity code prescribed for state officers in the County Executive of Kisii, and hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Shangwe na nderemo tafadhali. Asante.
The people of Kisii, your Governor, Honorable Robert Onsare Monda.
DJ, cheza kama wewe.
Achakere wobazi, Simba netaya. Ogenda bonjali, Simba netaya. Omachoge bwabulabu, Simba netaya. Omachoge chache, Simba netaya. Aye sauti mugirango, Simba netaya. Yalibali mazawa, Simba netaya. Yalibali chache, Simba netaya. Ekitutu chache, Simba netaya. Aye chache ya sauti, Simba netaya. Ekitutu chache, Simba netaya. Aye chache ya noti, Simba netaya. Abantu wa mindo, Simba netaya. Omogaba no molemu, Simba netaya. Okonyi abange, Simba netaya. Omondo bwabando, Simba netaya. Aye Simba no molemu, Simba netaya. Aye Simba ne Simba, Simba netaya. Ende kwa muma, Simba netaya. Omomura bwelizo, Simba netaya. Simba netaya. Omogaba no molemu, mogatielizo, nende no momurege zora. Omogaba no molemu, mogatielizo, nende no momurege zora. Mondo bwabande simbeko yana nende nakano bonyumba. Omondo bwabande simbeko yana nende nakano bonyumba.
DJ, basi itamleta chairman wa Assumption Office Committee ambaye ni head of civil service, aweza kumkaribisha gavana anayeondoka akabidhi the instruments of power. Welcome, CS.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii, Paul Simba Arati, it is now my pleasure to welcome the outgoing You have to wait kidogo.
The signing of the certificates by His Excellency, the Deputy Governor, and they will be displayed on the full glare of you, Mwananchi.
So I present to you the Honorable Robert Onsare Monda, your Deputy Governor.
Bas, ningependa
Have to say the ceremonies.
wapi kaiririato tena wa mama? Your Excellency, kindly move forward kidogo. Sako kwa bako na mpendo wake Mrs. Joyce Kemuma Monda. Asante, asante sana and congratulations. Tafadhali tutulie, tutulie. Asante, tutulie kidogo.
I have to state that this.
Basi tafadhali tunaomba tutulie kidogo tu kwa dakika moja.
My lady, that marks the end of the ceremony. I now hand over the program back to the Master of Ceremony.
Thank you. I want to invite the Chair Assumption Committee, Head of Civil Service, Mr. Patrick Lumumba, to proceed on. Tawakumbusha tu, tutulie bado. Tafadhali msiende mbali, First Ladies. We are going to have a photo session with you. Please remain here.
Thank you very much. Our Judge, Lady Justice Teresia Mumbua Mateka. It's now my pleasure to invite the County Attorney to represent the instruments of power from the outgoing Governor, James Omaribongwae, to the incoming Governor of Kisii, His Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati. The first.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati, my Governor, it is now my pleasure to give you the instruments of power. I'm going to hand to you the county seal. I hand to you the county flag. I hand to you the county coat of arms. And I'm going to hand to you, Your Excellency, the Constitution, which will guide you in your daily activities, as we all, the people of this great county of Kisii, wish you well in your journey for the next 5 years, and God willing after that. May God bless you with your deputy and with your spouses. Good senator is also standing next there. I wish you all the best. And my county MP is also here. Thank you very much. Doris, if you can stand on this side. I didn't see you because you are standing very far. Now the first thing that I'm handing to you. What is it? Yes. Is the county flag.
Yeah, that's the flag. Sub-tribes of Kisii County. If you can see those stars, they represent your Mobasi, they represent your Mogirango, they represent your Monchari, they represent your Mogetutu, they represent your Monyaribari, and they represent your Momachoge. And then you can see the Kisii banana. We are a county of bananas, and we all grew through eating and selling the banana. And then you can see soapstone there. We are the only county in the world, and that's why you are seeing it there. And then the best of the best, also see tea, which brought us up. And finally, you can see the beautiful environment that we have. So my brother, I wish you the best. This is the coat of arms for the county. And this is what gives you also strength, my brother governor. Before the Constitution, what else have you got? I'm giving you the county seal. This is the county seal. Anything that has been, this seal has been put on, know that. And then finally, my brother, the Constitution, which guides you, which also tells you to what you just took your oath of office, to be fair and to also follow the law. I thank you very much, my brother, and I wish you the best. Thank you.
DJ, Your Excellency, before you leave, Your Excellency, before you leave, naomba tafadhali wengine tushuke hadi mimi, tumuache governor anayeondoka, naibu wa governor, senator na county MP waweze kupigwa picha. Alafu baadaye first ladies muje hapa mbele nyote muungane kwa picha. Lakini kabla ya hiyo ningeomba Your Excellency mweze kuchukua njiwa. This is a dove, a sign of peace and prosperity to our county of Kisii. Nitahesabu 1 hadi 3 na mtaachiria. 1, 2 and 3.